Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom birthday card using Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is, let's hop into today's text. How do you make a custom birthday card using Canva? Two ways. You can either start to design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button, or you can explore a wide variety of templates to just pour your creative ideas. So there are readily available templates that can help make your work easier. In the search bar, you're going to find the templates. So let's find the templates. All right, so birthday card. So you're going to see a wide array of designs that are free and the ones that are not free. So here you have a birthday card that is really simple and fun. Okay, you also have one here, and you're gonna see some of them that have the crown in Pro. So the designs label Pro means you cannot access them except you upgrade your plan. So let's look for the one that is free. The ones that are free are the ones that do not have that crown. Oh yeah, cool anyway. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. I think I like this. And this is a better card. Just I can click that out and customize this template. I don't like the fonts design, but we can definitely change that. So that has nothing to do with us. So this is the editing studio. It's definitely fine what to do with this. Happy birthday. So if you want to edit this, right, you can just double click and change your name. In this case, Amy Mac. And this birthday thing, I just want to reduce it because it looks big. So I just need to do is to hold my mouse and use the left corner of my screen, the left corner of my mouse rather, and just drag down, hold the edges and drag to suit what I want. So happy birthday, Amy Mac. Can move this a bit. Awesome. I like the fact that the A thing had to like touch the B. Gives me really creative stuff. So here's a sweet note. All right, I don't want to change it, but if you want to change it, double click and change. So but here you have this flower thing ongoing, and I think I want to change it. So I can head over to elements and click on elements in the left corner, and in the search bar I'm just gonna type birthday and see if I have elements. So I'm just gonna move and move and move and just keep on moving, or just head over to photos and see if I'm gonna find something. Okay. Okay. Let's drag and drop this to see what's gonna look like. Oops. This doesn't seem to like really make much sense. Well, let's try. Let's just move. Let's move. Let's move. So we're gonna have to change the color of this font, right? Ready? Click on that and click text color. Ouch. No, that doesn't work fine. Does it? No, it disappears. Changing of this to this, right? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? And I'm headed over here and I'm clicking on that, and So I'm going to click on this and drag out. Go back to the page. Yes, so that these guys would definitely be out and explore themselves. Have that A thing on the body of my B. Okay, so I think that's also fine that way. And the whole happy thing, I think I can move it this way too. So I don't want to spend too much time on this, but it's cool. Yeah, this is cool. You can customize it to whatever you want, but this is how you can, of course, make a custom birthday card using Canva. This is really fine, right? You can just print this, download, click on the top right corner, share, and then click on download. And once you download it, then you'll be able to print it out. It's like, how do you even print it? Click on that and click on download. And here in this file type, click on that and click on PDF print, best for printing. That's standard. Click on download, and that's just going to be downloaded. So you can just keep manipulating. All right, remember, you can click on any element and you see this. So click on three dots menu, you see more elements, more options, or more features that you can use to make your stuff or your design really beautiful. So this is it. Go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.